Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to run HTML or program inside RStudio. So very easy steps to run. Go to File tab here, New, and now you can see this is the header marked on. So click on this HTML file. Now here this is the simplest program for HTML. So let's copy this and paste there. Hereafter Ctrl S to save. Now where do you want to save? So this location I'm going to save. So here let's give the name ZZ.html. Now click on this save button and hereafter click on this preview. Now here you can see this is the HTML. So here this is the page title, and here you can see my first heading and paragraph. Now what we need to do, let's close that and here copy and going to paste several times. So here let's paste. Now hereafter I'm going to do the changes. So here this is giving S2, S3, S4 and a last H5. Now here let's give S2, S3, H4 and in last H5. So different heading tag that I've given. Now you need to click on this preview. Now here you can see all different headers. So this is H1 bigger, S2 smaller, S3, H4, H5 and in last there is the paragraph. So this is the simplest way we can run this HTML inside RStudio. And hereafter if you want to run others, like here if you want to do create some text file, so click on this text file and hereafter Ctrl S to save. So let's save this file and hereafter give A and you need to give the text and whatever you do the changes. So here you can see this is the file and here I created the text file AAA and it is still not saved because I did not use Ctrl S. Ctrl S, then the content that saved. So this is the contents. So by using this we can easily create the file, save and run HTML code, and you can run any kind of HTML code there inside RStudio. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.